Well, there are currently over 50 million daily users who have been designing and watching Instagram stories on their mobile devices every day. While Instagram stories can help you connect and engage with your target audience in an authentic way to build relationships that can increase loyalty. Well, this Instagram story feature has been designed to share quick photos and videos with the followers just to give a sneak peek of how unique they are. The stories also gives a small peek to your audience about what goes behind the scenes and which followers actually love. Instagram story feature is a perfect way of experimenting different things for brands and content creators as well as for a product-based business, because unlikely the curated feed, Instagram stories disappear in just 24 hours. Well, Instagram stories boost reach and engagement, and in some cases, influence purchasing behavior as well. But for last few years, Instagram stories is one of my favorite features to been posting consistently on to connect with your audience directly and to show them what's actually going behind the scenes and what they actually love about it. Well, in short, people love quickly and easily adaptable content. This story feature is one of the best tools to go for. In this video, everyone, I'm gonna tell you 5 of the best story ideas you can use next time whenever you go to create a story to connect with your audience directly and to share what's actually your brand or your content creation look like. So be into the video till then. Number 1 is project sneak peek. Well, give a sneak peek of something currently you are working on and is a big and currently it's not ready to launch or reveal yet. Well, this can result in an ongoing series of stories where you gradually reveal a little bit more about every week and invite your audience to guess what it will be. So moving on to the second one is multiple choice poll. Did you hear that Instagram updated the poll sticker and will now let you put on 4 options from your audience will have to choose one in the multiple choice questions? Well, it's time to use it. Use this poll one to get some feedback from your audience. Just put on the 4 options from which your audience is going to choose one of them that what they would like to see next from you. Well, moving on to the third is favorite place to work. You can show off your favorite place to work in your office or home, which isn't your traditional office or workspace. Tell your audience why you like it and give a little tour out of it. Fourth option is best inventions. What is the best invention which you use every single day and that has been added to your business or your industry which you think your audience should be using? Why do you use it? Why do you think others should use it? Where can they get it from? You can also tag that particular company or a brand as well. So the last of them all is your autobiography. If you have to write an autobiography about your life or experiences, what could be the title be? Well, for this option, you can use Ask Me Anything sticker in the story feature and you can ask your audience for solutions for some of the best titles they might recommend to you. That's it for today's video. I hope you like the 5 of these Instagram story options which you can use whenever next time you will be designing your stories for your audience to connect them directly. Thanks for watching today's video, and I'm delighted to tell you that my ebook on Instagram profile optimization is live. You can purchase it right from the website. The link is in description down there. Do like the video, do share the video with your friends and whosoever would like to have these story ideas to execute them whenever they next create stories on their Instagram. If it's a brand or if they are a content creator, it's all useful for each and everyone. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.